Good morning. Ajir topic binary operation. So yat amar word binary pora gom poa goise that amar duta numbers involved thakibo. Any numbers, it can be from any arbitrary set, any arbitrary numbers. So coming to the formal definition, condition ki hobo lagibo binary operation hobole. So a binary operation on a set A, this set is very important, is a function and it is defined by A cross A. That means Cartesian product of the sets to the single set A, where A and B belongs to this A, ordered denoted by what? Ordered pair A comma B and defined by A star B, because our binary operation here kilo so star, where A, this ordered pair first element belongs to the Cartesian product first set A and this B belongs to the second set B. So a binary operation should be or must be a function from the ordered pair set A cross A to the single set A. It diagrammatically so dhora this star is a mapping, this is a mapping, star is a mapping from the Cartesian product of the sets A cross A to the set A. Then this A cross A is your what? Domain, and this A is your codomain. Then this star, this mapping denoted by star is a binary operation if it is a function. This will be a binary operation if it is a function. That means ki hobo liba tomar every element in the domain, this is your domain, every element in the domain must have a image in the codomain or unique image in the codomain, must have a unique image in the codomain, then it is a what? Function. So a binary operation must be a function from the Cartesian product of the sets to the set. Clear? Now next example saba pora addition. Addition at ki hoy tomar? Addition is a binary operation aru ami a set kilos ami real numbers define kenai korisu ordered pair A comma B dekhibole kenaka hobo A plus B 2,3 loa ordered pair 2,3 under binary operation addition ki hobo tomar 2 plus 3 ki pala 5 the ordered pair 2 aru 3 loisa image ki pasa 5 ordered pair jeniba tumi 2 aru 4 loa under addition kwa karone plus koriba 2 plus 4 ki paisa 6 tane tumi different ordered pair karone tumi different image paisa na 2,3 is a different ordered pair and 2,4 is also different, these two ordered pairs are different aru tumage image ki paisa 5 aru 6 different image paisa. Then a addition is a function, so this addition is a function hoar karone ami ki kom this addition is a binary operation. Similarly subtraction saw para ordered pair here plus height minus kori dia or for the ordered pair 2,3 tumi minus korile ki paba 2 minus 3 minus 1 paba 2,4 ordered pair loa 2 minus 4 ki paba minus 2 means different ordered pair has was different images, that means unique element in the Cartesian product, your unique element yat amar unique image map kore. So what will say my subtraction is a function hoar karone it is a binary operation. Next multiplication sa para eke order pair loa eko problem nai eke order pair lolo order pair me 2,3 lo, so this 2 belongs to this set first and then 3 belongs to what? This set. Multiplication under multiplication product kora 2 into 3 ki baba 6 ko next loa different ordered pair ta loiswa 2 here and this 4 belongs to the second set. Multiplication kori dia 2 into 4 kiman pala 8. Eta ki dekhisa different ordered pair or different element in the domain has different images what in the codomain or unique image in the codomain. This is your codomain. 6 belongs to R, 8 belongs to R. So what we can say multiplication is a function aru function hoar karone ami ki kom multiplication is a binary operation. Yat amar set A thait amar yat ki use koise the set of real numbers. So ami kenake read korim কেনেকৈ পঢ়িম multiplication is a binary operation on the set of real numbers. Division division আকৌ আমাৰ set of real numbers এ লৈছো domain আমাৰ r cross r Cartesian product and the codomain r এতিয়া b equal to 0 ordered pair লোৱা তুমি a, 0 this then তোমাৰ division apply কৰিলে তোমাৰ কি হ'ব a divided by 0 কি আহিব তোমাৰ undefined আহিব now this is not a function why তোমাৰ function হ'বলে every element in the codomain must have a unique image in the কি আসলে domain every element in the codomain domain must have a unique image in the codomain let me ordered pair a, 0 লোৱা a, 0 belongs to this r cross r a is any number belongs to the set r a belongs to the set r is any number 0 also belongs to the set r so amar a, 0 enokwa ta ordered pair thakibo in the Cartesian product r cross r real numbers in the set of Cartesian product of real numbers a, 0 enokwa ordered pair thakibo eta division apply kori dia division apply korile tomar ki ahibo a divided by 0 ami janu infinity or undefined etia so a divided by 0 your image to kot thakibo tomar undefined will lie outside this codomain that means under division a divided by 0 is infinity that means its image is outside this set of real numbers outside the codomain so ami ki kobo paro there exists an element in this domain which do not have image in the codomain it lies outside the codomain that means this element do not have image in the codomain so amar eto function hobone division is not a function function nohar karone ami ki kobo paro this is not a binary operation I repeat since a divided by 0 where 0 is also a real number under division ami ki pao infinity pao now infinity does not belongs to your codomain so this division is not a function nohar karone amar binary operation nohoy clear next example so subtraction is not a binary operation on the set of natural numbers yat ami set ki loisu natural numbers agor nisna ke ami real numbers loa nai agote ami subtraction on the set of real numbers loislu but yat ami difference ki hoy ami yat subtraction loisu but ami yat set to different kori disu set of natural numbers loislu tita amar denote ami kene korim minus such that n cross n to n aru ordered pair a, b minus a, b goes dekhabo keneka a minus b n duta element loa 3, 5 belongs to the Cartesian product of natural numbers why 3 belongs to natural number and 5 also belongs to the set of natural numbers it is subtraction apply kora ordered pair 3, 5 ki hobo 3 minus 5 ki pala minus 2 paisu ami minus 2 do not belongs to the set of natural numbers that means we diagrammatically swang this is your domain and this is your codomain amar mapping ki hoise tomar minus itia amar ek domain ot enakwa element ase 3, 5 aru under the map subtraction 3, 5 or image ki paisu ami minus 2 3, 5 or image ki paisu ami minus 2 but minus 2 lies outside your codomain natural number so every element in the domain has not a unique image in the codomain image 3, 5 or so subtraction is not a function and not a function then it is also not a binary operation but amar yat domain to matter korise amar yat set to matter korise on the set of natural numbers but jodi amar yat real numbers hoy then it is a subtraction is a binary operation. Why? Because amar jodi real numbers hoy to -2 amar real numbers thakibo. Real numbers is the set what? This is your real numbers. Real numbers tumar natural numbers ke dangor set to hoy, and -2 lies in the set of real numbers. So minus thakibo tumar codomain, then it is a what? Binary operation. But amar jodi natural number law, then -2 do not belongs to your codomain, then it is not a function and so not a binary operation. Similarly tumar division swa, division on the set of natural number loa, eketa ordered pair loa, domain tumar ki hobo on the set of natural number kwa kane n cross n hobo, codomain tumar hobo the set n, mapping ki hoise tumar division, ordered pair eketa helo ajaniba 3,5 division. Under division tumar divide koile ki baba tumi 3 divided by 5, 3 divided by 5 baba, 3 divided by 5 baba, ita 3 divided by 5, 3 divided by 5 do not belong to the set of natural numbers, it lies outside the set of natural numbers. ठीक है सर, 3 divided by 5 is do not belongs to the codomain natural number, so what? It is not a function and therefore is not a binary operation. ইয়াত তোমাৰ দেখুৱাই দিয়া হৈছে 3,5 on the set of natural numbers, on the set of natural numbers লৈছো, mapping কি হৈছে তোমাৰ division, so তোমাৰ 3 divided by 5 কৰিবা, but this 3 divided by 5 is not a natural number, so a ordered pair 3,5 or ordered pair image to কি হ'ব 3 divided by 5 will lie outside your codomain, so তুমি কি ক'ব পাৰা 3,5 do not have a image in the codomain, ইয়াৰ image থাকিব but not in the codomain, outside the codomain থাকিব, outside the codomain, so আমি কি ক'ব পাৰা it is not a function নোহোৱাৰ কাৰণে not a binary operation. Exercise 1.4 equation to চোৱা, আমাৰ binary operation হয় নে নহয় চেক কৰিব লাগে. That means আমি function যদি হয়, function হয় বুলি যদি দেখাব পাৰো, then we are done. That means it is a binary operation. First question আছে তোমাৰ on the set of positive integers. Define কেনে কৰিছে denoted by star আৰু define কেনে কৰিছে a into b, product ab. এতিয়া তোমালোকে যিকোনো দুটা নাম্বাৰ লোৱা on the set of positive integers. ধৰা a equal to 1 লোৱা, b equal to 2. These are what belongs to the set of positive integers. So ordered pair 1, 2 under the binary operation কি কৈছে তোমাৰ product কৰিছে a into 2 কি হ'ব তোমাৰ 2 is also a positive integer. That means তুমি দুটা positive integer product কৰিলে তুমি আকৌ এটা positive integer পাবা, and that will be unique because 1 আৰু 2 কৰিলে product কৰিলে তুমি 2 পাবা, 2 3 product কৰিলে তুমি কি পাবা 6 পাবা, 2 3 product কৰিলে তুমি কি পাবা 6 পাবা. So unique ordered pair has unique images in the codomain. ঠিক আছে, has unique image in the codomain. This is your codomain. So আমি কি ক'ব পাৰো this star defined by AB is a binary operation. This binary operation on the set of positive integers. Clear? Next আৰু এটা question চোৱা, তোমাৰ set একে লোৱা আছে, z positive লোৱা আছে, that means positive integers. Define কেনে কৰিছে a minus b দি কৰিছে, so আমি এনেকৈ লিখি লৈছো this z plus cross z plus Cartesian product a minus b, any element লোৱা 1, 2 লোৱা, 1 belongs to this and 2 belongs to this. এতিয়া তোমাৰ operation to কেনে কৰিছে a minus b means a 1 star 2 আমাৰ কি হ'ব 1 minus 2 হ'ব, 1 minus 2 আমি কি পাইছো -1 পাইছো, but -1 আমাৰ z positive থাকে না নাথাকে, আমাৰ -1 belongs to negative integers, do not belongs to our codomain. -1 do not belongs to our codomain positive integers. So what we can say, this binary operation defined by a minus b is not a function and so not a binary operation, because 1, 2 has no image নাই so function নহব function হ'বলে আমাৰ প্ৰত্যেকটো element in the codomain every element in the codomain must have a what image in the every element in the domain must have a image in the codomain but 1, 2 has no image in the codomain so it is not a function and therefore not a binary operation it one check koriba on the set of real numbers yat janeke ami positive set to ami yat positive integers loisu yat ami ki loisu real numbers loisu this is your homework